Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see remaining definitions and MCQs on those definitions. First is paleo irrigation. Sometimes before sowing the crops, the land is very dry. So before sowing the crops, we do irrigation. And that irrigation called as paleo irrigation. Paleo irrigation helps to sowing the crops. Definition पाहूया. Paleo irrigation, watering done prior to the sowing of crops is called as paleo irrigation. Sometimes in the initial stages before the crop is sown, the land is very dry. In such cases, the soil is moistened with water as it helps in sowing the crops. This is known as paleo irrigation. Second is core watering. What is core watering? When plants grow for a few centimeters, the first watering, which is called as core watering. Definition of core watering: first watering done after the plants have grown a few centimeters high is known as core watering. Core depth and core period are the terms used for the depth of water applied and time period during this watering. Capacity factor. Capacity factor of canal discharge is the ratio of mean supply through the canal during specific period to its full irrigation capacity or discharge capacity. See, capacity factor. Capacity factor is the ratio of average supply discharge of a canal for a certain duration to maximum discharge capacity of a canal. Next is time factor. What is a time factor? Time factor is the ratio of number of days when the canal run actually during the watering period to the total number of days of watering periods. See, time factor, number of days canals has actually run during a watering period to the number of days of a watering period. The next is a crop ratio. What is a crop ratio? Is the ratio of area of land which is irrigated during two main crop seasons. Which are two main crop seasons? Rabi and Kharif. Hence, this crop ratio is also called as Rabi-Kharif ratio. Crop ratio. Crop ratio is the ratio of area of land irrigated during two main crop seasons, Rabi-Kharif. It is also called as Rabi-Kharif ratio. Outlet factor. What is outlet factor? Duty of water at the outlet. Then what is a duty? We have already discussed about duty. If you not seen this lecture, please go to the description box. I have given links. Outlet factor, duty of a water at the outlet. In other words, it is the duty of a water at the head of a field channel. Then the crop calendar. What is a crop calendar? Is the schedule of a local crops about sowing, planting, harvesting, etc. Definition: crop calendar is the tool that provides timely information about seeds to promote local crop production. It contains information on planting, sowing and harvesting periods of locally adopted crops in specific agroecological zones. MCQs. Before going towards MCQs, please like the video. Let's start. The first watering before sowing the crop is obviously paleo irrigation. The optimum depth of a core watering for rice is about, the answer is 19 centimeter. Crop ratio. Area irrigated in Rabi season to Kharif season. Area irrigated in Kharif season to Rabi season. Area irrigated under perennial crop to total area. area irrigated under non-perennial crop to that under perennial crop? The answer is area irrigated in Rabi season to Kharif season is the crop ratio.